And today we are washing my hair. Alright guys, so tomorrow I actually have headshots for seminary. So my seminary is hosting a photographer and they're going to do headshots for us for free. And so I've been contemplating whether or not to just embrace these grays or to cover them. Ooh, it's a pinch. We're going to have headshots, so these are going to be professional, and I'm just going to go ahead and cover them up today. I'll just be in prayer about what I should do in the future, but for right now, I'm going to use Beautiful Collection Clairol Gray Solution in the Midnight Black 1A. And so first I'm going to wash my hair to get the product off of it, mainly in the front because edge control and all that jazz. Wash it, then I'll do this, let this sit for a while, and then wash it again, decondition it, and style it. And then I'm also trying to figure out, do I want to just do my real hair or braid it up, sew a Upart wig in, put a track in, and then have my leave out. The issue with the leave out is that they're still going to be gray. Well, they won't be gray because of this, but I'm just thinking about the future. But anyway, I figure it out as we go. And yeah, so welcome to my channel. All right, hair's washed. I just did one wash because I know I'm going to wash it after all of this. And so I'm going to part it into 4 sections. And I'm going to start with the front, being as though that's my most troublesome area. I have it in. I'm not going to sit under the dryer, so I'm going to let it sit for 35 minutes. I'm going to set the timer on my phone, and then I'll wash it out. I'm going to like do some, oh Lord, look at that. I need to get some alcohol and clean that off. But I'll probably end up doing a little bit of cleaning up laundry while I wait. And yeah, so I'm going to set my timer, 35 minutes. And I'll check back in with you guys. I'm all in the shower. I'm about to blow dry my hair. Just wanted to show you guys what my hair was looking like. Looks like I got everything. This is like the same strand that I didn't get last time. Or maybe it's just refusing to get dyed. So 2 strands over there that I didn't get. Such is life. And I'm going to use some argan oil for my heat protectant. I think I'm going to do 4 sections. Section my hair off into 4s. Dried out. I know you guys might be saying, that girl got a lot of hair. Why is she wearing a wig? Well, I wouldn't wear it as a protective style because also we do have the professional headshots tomorrow, but we're going on vacation a couple weeks later. And so I just want to not have to worry about my hair while we're there. And this just seemed like a way to protect just protect my hair in general. So we we'll see how this goes. I think I'm going to do the wig. So I'm going to finish my dinner and then I'll be right back. All right, so this is the Upart wig that I got. And this is the bundle I got. And so my plan is I'm going to braid my hair down. Well, first I'm going to see how much hair I should even take out. Put this on my head. Okay. Then I'm braid my hair down, have my leave out. I'm going to take part of this and put it close to the Upart track and then have my leave out. Does that make sense to everybody? And again, I am not an expert, so I am not going to do a tutorial. I'll leave the girl's video. I think her name's like Nikki Ferreira or something like that. I will leave her name. I'll leave the video in the description and let you guys figure it out. So, and this looks like a V-part wig. Don't even look like a U-part wig. Oh, I guess it is a U-part wig. And I got it in 1B. So, it looks like I need to leave that much out. I'm nervous. Here we go. Right, because I want the wig, I want my part there. Now that I got this piece, I'm going to go in with some Design Essentials Almond Avocado Daily Moisturizer Lotion. And I'm going to put that in my hair as I braid it. And so I'm going to have a couple sections. Like here. This section. And then this section. And again, I am not a professional. I'm just a kitchen beautician. So I'll be back once I get my braids in. I'll show you my pattern. was pretty easy. It did take me a while because I had to figure out my configuration for my arms, but it was so easy that my daughter did the back parts for me that I couldn't see. So just in case if anyone's wondering, I am a super newbie, so I don't be knowing. But yeah, so I'm about to do the part where I come in right here with my track. Looks good. Okay, where are my hair scissors? Okay, can you go get them, please? Can't find my hair scissors. Pretty interesting that I cannot find stuff when I need it for my hair. And so I'm not going to be able to put layers in it. I have these kitty scissors, but let's see. Because my hair is right here. And so it would need to, I don't want any parts of it. Maybe that's better. Maybe that's good anyway, that I have like doll scissors. So I can't do damage. But I don't want it to, yeah, my hair is the length of the 18 that I purchased. So it's like I can't even really do what I want to do anyway. Because I don't want to cut my hair. And so I'm going to just chop, guys. I'm just gliding my scissors down. I'm not getting carried away with it. Yeah, I'm going to use the kitty scissors because it needs to be. Yeah, okay. I can do this. Even with kitty scissors.
You almost done, ma'am?
I am. Go get me the broom.
I am sleepy.
Okay. Go get me the broom.
My side hurts. My hip hurts.
Oh, Lord.
My arm.
I guess we can't do no more play dates, sister. Go get me the broom so I can clean up. Alright. My track is showing right here. But I'm going to cover that up. Alright. I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. Feeling myself. Alright. I'm gonna curl it. I'm gonna do just a tiny smidge of edge control. I don't really like this stuff. I feel like it dries my hair out, but I want it to lay down these flyaways.